Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to tell you what we're doing for Easter, because it's Easter weekend. It's Good Friday today. Actually Karen's at work today, but we are going away, but we're not going in the caravan. And what I'll also show you is a couple of jobs that I've done in the house while we haven't been away. I think the last time we was away in the caravan was February, when we were at Renovation Country Park in North Wales. So I shall show you the little jobs I've done in the ensuite shower room and the downstairs toilet, and then I'll tell you what we're going to do for Easter. So what I've done, I've put a new toilet. It's a comfort height toilet, so it's higher than a normal toilet. I've boxed in the pipework down there, which was just open, and we've put that unit in there as well. So I've only got a small little sink, and I've also fitted a new tile around the back there. So that's the downstairs toilet completed. So we'll have a quick look in the ensuite shower room and what I've done in there. So what I've done is I've replaced the pedestal sink and put in a vanity unit. The shower unit is original as to what it when we moved in. I've replaced the towel rail, so we've got a new towel rail, and toilet is original, but I've just put a new seat on that. So if you are a regular viewer of the videos, you'll have seen the bathroom that we had refurbished by a plumbing company. You're a bit too big for me to do. So I'll show you that now, just in case you haven't seen it. And I'll put a picture in of what it was like before. Right, so you've seen the picture of what it like before. This is our refurbished main shower room now. We decided to have a full walk-in shower in here due to us getting a bit older. As you may or may not know, I am now 66 and I'm drawing my state pension. So we're really happy with this shower room now. A lot better than when we first moved in. So this has got a similar shower rail to what we've got up in the ensuite. Right, so if you haven't seen it before, you've seen it now. We're really happy with that. So what I'll do now is I'll go back downstairs and we'll tell you what we're doing for Easter. Okie doke, bear with me. Let me switch light out. So what are me and Karen going to be doing for Easter? Well, actually, we don't normally do a lot at Easter. We don't normally go away, but we haven't actually been out in the caravan since we went to Renovation Country Park in North Wales back in February. We have been out and about and we've had days out, and we've also, I think early March, we went down to a sister's just over the border into North Wales in Flintshire, and we're actually going to do that this weekend. So we're going to meet up with a brother as well. So we're going to spend the weekend with Karen's sister, Vicky. We'll probably, me and Karen, it is Friday, Good Friday today. Karen is actually working. So we're going to set off on Saturday morning, and we're probably going to go into Chester, and then, because Vicky's got something on during the day, Karen's sister, and we're going to meet up at her house, and we're going to stop a couple of nights down there. We've got to be back on Easter Monday, so we've got some things, appointments, etc. on Tuesday, so we've got to be back before Tuesday. So we're spending the weekend down there. I don't know what we're going to be doing, but I know me and Karen are planning to go into Chester, so I may take some video of Chester. The last time we went into Chester, I think the video I did, it was really, really wet and horrible and miserable. So hopefully the weather's going to be better. I know Chester will be busy because it's going to be a bank holiday Saturday. the Easter weekend, but hopefully I get to do some video, and I think I'm getting my little YouTube mojo back a bit. We went to a actually Victorian house or hall which we never even knew existed. It's an English heritage one, and it's near Doncaster, and that's Brodsworth Hall. So that is a video that will be coming out on Sunday. So if you want to see that video, don't forget to do normal YouTube stuff, and if you click that notification bell, if you subscribe, it'll tell you when that video comes out. So that'll be on Sunday, Easter Sunday. So I hope you enjoy watching that. So really, it's just wishing you all a very, very happy Easter. And if you're out in your caravans, your motorhomes, your tents, your trailer tents, or you're just spending the Easter weekend with family, please enjoy yourself and make the most of it. Thank you for watching. I'd like to say bye for now, and we'll see you in another video, which may be from Chester. I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, enough rambling. Bye for now.